Hey, recording video on your phone can get crazy. Trying to shoot video, doing this YouTube thing for the last couple months here, it's been crazy. The amount of these that I think I done went through. I'm talking about, I don't even know what to even call these gadgets here. I'm trying to figure, man, look, it just led me to a situation where I needed a little bit more than just a couple books and, you know, these selfie sticks. So, not trying to get too big on these unboxing videos, but shout out to my sister for coming through with one of the biggest assists I've ever seen on this channel. We about to unbox this iSteady mobile gimbal and see if we could get a little uptick on the content creation going on boss heavy activity. Okay. First glance. At first glance, it definitely comes in a cool case. It's the first thing I can say. Let's see. I'm gonna zip the gimbal. Okay. Comes with an instruction booklet, warranty card, USB connector, actual gimbal itself. Here goes the stand that goes on the bottom. Looks pretty sturdy. Sure. And the gimbal itself. It's not heavy at all. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot heavier than this. But yeah. This is it, guys. Seems pretty straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and hook the phone up now and see if we can go ahead and get some beats going. Get some type of content going on it. Pretty sturdy. Figure out the functionality of these buttons. And let's get it. Alright, first things first. At first glance, this thing is like a baby T-Rex. This thing blew me away. I didn't realize what I was actually getting myself into when I made the purchase. I knew I wanted a gimbal in order to shoot video and have a steady camera angle, but the amount of different angles that this little device can capture is almost insane. So we just briefly try to go through a couple of them from what I found out so far. So boom, obviously I already put my phone into the gimbal. They say you have to balance the phone inside of the gimbal prior to actually turning it on. I feel like I've done that. Cut the gimbal on. There we go. Alright, it's in standard mode. The standard mode is pan following, which I believe you pick it up, it follows the object, so what you're trying to actually like footage of. If you double tap the mode button, it goes in the pan tilt following. So let's double tap that. And as you can see, it'll tilt around as you move it, so forth and so on. It'll give you that motion as you're trying to follow around your objects. That was pretty cool. Then I think if you triple tap it, let me see, 1, 2, 3, you get this all lock mode. It's an all lock. It's going to lock on to the position and move accordingly, where you can kind of like, you gauge, you see what's going on, right? Then when you tap the button 4 times, it's called all following in inception mode. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's following, but it's still giving you all types of inception movements. Like it's, I'm not even keeping it in the frame, but you see what's going on? Like it's dreamy at this point. Boom. Alright. Then if you long press it for 6 seconds, it's calibration mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's gonna calibrate. Now, the trigger button, if you tap it twice, it brings it back to pan following mode, which is like mode 1, standard mode. But yeah, cool little gadget, man. Thoroughly impressed, I must say. Eager to get back to actually like shooting some more footage. I think this is gonna help tremendously. If you're in the business of actually trying to like get some footage and get some incredible angles, I guess, while you're shooting the type of footage you're shooting, especially if you're doing anything sports related, I feel like this is kind of like way to go. I'm gonna shoot a little bit of beat footage and get acquainted with it a little bit, and then yeah, man, I highly recommend the Steady Mobile Plus from Hohem. For sure, highly recommend. This little bad boy right here is like T-Rex. Oh, later. Man, I never thought I ever had me a selfie stick that I like. But I gotta tell you, boy, this one right here, oh buddy, this one right here, special. I'm not lying to you, bro. You know what I'm saying? This thing crazy. I ain't no tech expert though. Before, just straight up action shots. I'm ready to shoot me a video. I ain't lying. I'm ready to shoot me a video. Highly recommended. iSteady Plus. What is it? This Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. Highly recommend this. This thing gangster. Hey, 2 thumbs up to iSteady Mobile Plus. In conclusion, it's another episode of Boss Heavy Activity. And obviously with this mobile, with this gimbal, we about to come back in hot with some more footage. Thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all on the flip side. We about out of here.